Hello, and welcome. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make as much as $2,000 to $3,000 a day trading Forex from home. What's more, what I'm about to show you is 100% legal and in no way a scam or scheme. This is a legitimate way to make real money while being your own boss and working from home. You don't need a college degree or years of extensive training. You also don't need to have a lot of money in the bank. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can get started with a small investment of just $100 and then turn that investment into $6,500 in 10 weeks or less. How's that sound? Good, I hope. Look, I know there are a lot of Forex robots and systems out there that don't deliver. That's why I've backed my system with a 60-day risk-free guarantee. You'll either make money with this system or you'll get your purchase price back. In other words, you've finally come across a system that really works. A system that you can use to generate income to pay off your debts or even enough to quit that boring day job and work from home. As I said earlier, this system isn't difficult and anyone can use it, no matter what your trading experience or knowledge level. With this system, you only work an hour or two a day or even less if you want. I have many pro days who only work a half hour tops each day and they still make tens of thousands of dollars a month and hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. You could realistically be earning 400 to 600 pips a week in no time. And it's important to keep in mind that it contains manual Forex trading strategies that put you in total control of your trades, so that you never have to worry about losing everything if you walk away from your computer for a few minutes. It also has a complete risk management system that protects your earnings and allows you to build your wealth safely and quickly over time. And it has unique trade assistant software that works hand in hand with the manual trading strategies so that you get automatic buy and sell alerts that tell you the best possible times to get in and out of trade for maximum profits. In other words, is that can't-miss Forex trading system that you've been searching so hard for. Here, let's take a quick look at it in action. Okay, let's open the USD CHF time frame 4H. As you can quickly see on the screen, it clearly displays proprietary indicators for you to follow, and you don't have to worry, these indicators do not repaint. You'll be able to easily see on your screen where to enter, where to exit, and stop loss and take profit, so you never have any hard decisions to make. Just follow indicators and make money. On the chart on your screen now, there are 3 winning trades identified, and that's over a market period of 3 days. Think of all the winning trades you'll see over the course of a few weeks or a few months. Maybe now you can get an idea of how fast it can make your account balance grow. Plus, this system works with all currency pairs, with all time frames, and with all types of markets. Now let's look at how many pips you would have earned. The long first trade produced 117 pips. The second short trade made 233 pips, again. 3 made 310 pips. That's a total of 660 pips over the course of 3 days using just a single currency pair. Now let's look at another pair just to show you this is standard operating procedure with not some fluke situation. Let's go to the pair USD GBP time frame 1H. Here we see 4 winning trades. The first trade made 118 pips. Trade 2 yielded 275 pips. Trade 3 made 79 pips, and trade 4 made 118 pips. That's a total of 590 pips made in just 4 days. This is not like a robot that makes the trades for you and that can wipe out your account over the course of one afternoon if the market changes the wrong way. And remember, you don't need a lot of money to succeed with this system. You can get started with as little as a $100 investment, and you can use the system with a demo account first just to make sure it works like I say it will. So what are you waiting for? Now that you've seen it's time to get a copy of this powerful Forex money-making system today. For more details, please read the letter below. Thanks for your attention.